Hi guys, and this is Denise, and well, hi Charlie G's. I miss you all, and I hope to see you soon, sooner than soon. So, yeah, let me start from um, my sisters, Virai, Jessa, Celeste, Kay, Judy, Jessie, Clarissa, and Angel, Henny Lambs. Hi to all of you, I miss you all. So, to my pamangkins, Fatima, Rebecca, Love Love, to my anak, Isel and Judine. I really miss you all, and I'm hoping that we'll be we'll still be Chonchis next one. So hi to my classmates and hi to my boyfriend, Neil, Dave, Gian, and oh my god, I really forgot that name. Um, oh, sorry. Hi God! I miss you so much and I hope to see you soon. So, uli na diri sa Cebu kay ginawa mo ko. And hi to Ma'am Diaz, JV, Yan, Casa, David Alpha, Rondo, etc. Alpha, and to all na wala na mention. So, hi and God bless you all and see you soon. I love you all. Bye-bye. This is Denise again.